I hate. Okay, I hate the thumbnail of the picture. I hate the thumbnail slash the video picture in my Break Me Totally. I hate it. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was supposed to be like with the game. Come on, why that? I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. And I even fixed up the title. I hate and I actually and I put like an exhausted slash unhappy face there also. So guys, anyway, I hated that thumbnail slash video picture, and I put a sad slash unhappy face because if I put it in an emoji, and if you're watching this on an Apple device, it will show up differently. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna play some hello video. Welcome to an episode of Feud, and I'm gonna play some Google Feud. So yeah, Google. That's my cough, and this video is also I'm gonna call it cough cringe Google Feud. So it's been also a long time since I've played this game. Choose a category. Names. Betty. What's the Thompson? Betty Bop. Betty Eslop. Betty. Yes, I said. Oh, I said Betty Boop. No, I'm gonna play Google Feud. Yeah, I'm gonna play. It's been a really long time. What? Culture. Hats for sale. Oh. $10. For eBay. What? Hats? Oh my god. Ah! Giraffes are tall. Giraffes are yellow. I better get this one right. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Google, are you dumb? Are you stupid? Are you dead? Oh my god. I haven't put game show about. Nah, I don't want to do those. Go back. Okay, that was kind of cheating. I kind of cheated what I did there. It's been a really long time since I played this. Anyways, wait, what's that? Wait, something just new just happened. Of course. Anyways, let's go to something different. Questions. Can the government control your phone? I better get this one right. Yes. No! No, your life. Please. No! I put your homer. Or your home. Did I get... Oh, even if I put your home, I wouldn't have gotten it right. I wouldn't have gotten it wrong. I meant, let's do people. I want to steal a car. Steal a phone. No. I want to steal a dog. No, that'll give me points off. Or what should I put? I want to steal a diamond. Steal. I should put dog. I better not get this one. Whatever. I want to steal a cat. Oh my god. Wait, what? My lucky number is 883. Everybody knows that. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I get them. 8. I can keep going on and on. I could keep going on. No, I could be going. I'm on a roll, guys. I'm on a roll. No, I put 1, 3. Oh, I haven't put 2. 2 is unlucky number. Oh my god. 8. What does it mean? Am I lucky name? How am I supposed to get 8? What does it mean? I like question. Is there such thing as a zombie? Alright, I want to know so badly. Is there such thing as a unicorn? What? Are you kidding me? You have got to be kidding me. The Great Wall of China. Yes. The Great. I think I'm missing. I think there's another place called the Great. I'm just guessing now. The Great statue. You have to have good spelling to do this, or else Google's not gonna get it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I love the feeling of being sad. That's just happy. No, I spelled it wrong. Why would people put some weird question like look at these weird No. I accidentally put it wrong. It's my bad. Buy stock in Walmart. I'm just guessing now. Wait, what does this mean? I'm just guessing. And Best Buy. I'm just guessing now. Is that how you spell Best Buy? Oh my. I hate the taste of green beans. Everyone hates that. I guess so, unless it's your green. Oh, I spelled it wrong. of I hate the taste of cake. Actually, no, I'm just being. I hate the taste of. I hate watermelon. Actually, I don't. I'm just putting watermelon. No, watermelon. Watermelon, not watermelon. Oh my god. Oh, island of 83. No, they're not gonna accept that. Cough, cringe. Dang it. I'll just go island of potatoes. No, island of money. Money, they're definitely gonna accept that. I promise. That's it. That's it. How can you not? Okay, guys, I need to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to go to like a type of class. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Sorry, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.